Time to catch some birds. First, we have to get into a raid. Have to wait at least 10 seconds. Damn it. I tried joining too early. Oh, I actually got it. Switch to Pokemon Go. Now we wait. Fuck. Just use the recommended, I guess. Or... I think I'll reach on. Alright, let's do this. Okay, well, shit. Holy shit, someone has a Mewtwo. Shit, I didn't realize I had a charge attack ready. Shit. Okay. 12 chances. Okay, goldenraz. Come on, get down here. Oh, come on. Fuck.
Guess who now has a shiny Zapdos?
No way. You got a shiny Zapdos?
Yep, on my life.
Oh, shit.
I know.
I got Zapdos.
Did you hear me say shiny?
I got Zapdos.
I can't believe I got
2 more birds to go, Axton.
Okay. Look, here it is. Shiny.
Oh my gosh. Appraise it.
I did.
What is it?
It's alright.
What's CP? 2400? Oh my gosh. This is my first bird, Axton.
Its CP is now 2,548. But
Okay. Let's go for this. Let's go for Articuno or Moltres.
I heard you say, imagine I get a shiny, right? And I was like, yeah, that'd be pretty cool. And then I get a shiny.
Ooh, alright. Try it. I'm gonna go for a Moltres.
Like, my heart was pounding, dude.
Dude, that's insane.
Can't believe I got a shiny legendary bird. I'll show you the screenshot I got, like, right as soon as I got into it.
Alrighty. Now we wait for... I got Moltres my second throw. Or not Moltres.
Zapdos.
Zapdos.
Here you go.
You can join 38 more max battles today.
Today's been a good day.
Yeah. Use the Rhyperior here.
Gonna be a good day later. Lucky Machamp. So it's a fire, so you're gonna want water too. Use a Gyarados.
Gyarados?
You already have one, I guess.
Did not mean to do that. Ah, fuck! Which one should I use?
All of them.
I'm not using, well...
Not all of them, but I'd use a few of them. Better than electric. And steel. Yep, I'd just do that. 3 Gyarados. Actually, I don't know if I would have done that, but it's so good.
Oh, I'll trade one of them for Kyron.
Yeah.
There. That's what I'll do.
I can't believe I actually got a shiny.
Mm.
That's my second ever shiny I got of a raid, too.
Yeah.
First was the Beware. And that wasn't even 2 months ago.
Yeah. Someone had a Mewtwo in my last game.
Really?
Yeah. Jacob has one.
I beat someone that had 2 of them.
I beat Jacob. He had his Mewtwo, and I beat him in a 1v1 battle.
Mm-hmm. They're thinking about bringing Mewtwo to raids.
I hope they do.
Again.
It's going to be... Ooh, shiny Gyarados. That guy's got shiny Gyarados.
Oh, that's cool as hell.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, dude, you guys are raping this thing.
I know. I
Oh my
was so
God.
surprised.
You pull out your Gyarados to see how fast you can do it. Highest hitter. Oh. Oh my God, that Hydro Pump's gonna do so much. If you can
We
even get
ain't
it,
even going to need it.
use it. Maybe you'll get last blow.
Gyarados use Hydro Pump.
Imagine. Okay, if you get a shiny one of these, whenever we can trade, I'll trade you the Zapdos for that.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm getting all 3 birds.
Moltres is my favorite.
I'm getting all 3 birds.
I'll trade you my shiny Zapdos and another one of those.
I'm getting all birds. I'll get my screenshot in there.
He looks kind of like just like a chicken with flames.
I have 21 golden raspberries now.
Mm-hmm. I got mine on the first try, too. First ball.
No way!
Yo, let's go.
2 out of 3 birds.
Hell yeah. Nothing can ruin this day unless my mom comes in here and starts yelling.
Oh,
that's
look at
good,
that
too.
background.
Oh! That's a special one, too. Special background. That's rare.
This was at Sydney, Australia.
Dang. I still cannot believe that I just got a shiny Zapdos. Mine was in Iwaki, Fukushima, Japan.
Okay, now we're looking for Articuno.
Oh, guess what? I can get another remote.
I'm in Articuno now. Dude, it took me 15 minutes to get into one thing earlier.
Dude, my thing went all the way from 29 all the way to 35 with that one raid.
Hey, you need to be on your computer.
I know.
Doing schoolwork.
I am. Ish. Catch Pokemon, spin, catch, spin, make, spin, catch, use berries, catch.
Hopefully I don't have to buy any more remote raid passes.
So I just need to catch a bunch of Pokemon.
Alright, here we go, Exton. Look at this.
Articuno.
Isn't it beautiful? What should I use for Articuno?
Articuno is water, so you're gonna want grass, electric.
Electric?
Mm-hmm.
So, like, Electivire.
Mm-hmm. Go up. Honestly, I'd use Dragonite, too.
Okay.
Fire. You're going to want a few things that are fire because it's water and ice. So, the water's going to be something, but I'd also use a little bit of fire, so maybe Charizard. I guess you have 2 of them.
Ooh, yeah, I do. That's probably the better Charizard.
I'd just go up.
Should I use Moltres? Try it out.
Try them, yeah. I'd say that's good. Mega Evolve, yep.
Ooh, first time Mega Evolving Aggron.
Cool.
$3,700
Damn.
after Mega Evolving.
What's retard doing?
Getting in the Mercury.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It was supposed to be super effective.
I'm telling you.
Charge attack is pretty fast.
Oh, did my mom hear what did tell you what we're having tonight?
No.
Steaks.
What kind?
Mm-hmm.
Not like we had the other night. It would be different than that.
What did we have? Yeah, it'll be way different. Like
Not
an actual steak.
not pork steak.
Yeah, not pork steak, like an actual steak.
All right, we got Moltres.
Like beef.
Oh, this thing is dope.
Oh, it has sky attack. I'd probably change the charged attack on.
Oh, I
Moltres.
can. I have the one that can change it to any one I want.
I have an elite charge TM.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Mm-hmm. I can't wait to use my elite one. Oh my.
This Blaziken has 2 charge attacks.
Mm-hmm. I'd use Brave Bird.
Use Brave Bird.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna knock me out. Oh, it almost does. Overheat is super effective.
There we go.
Blast Burn. This is the good. See, I knew this was the good Charizard. He's got Blast Burn.
Blast Burn is a really good high attacking attack.
Mm-hmm.
And just like that, there it goes. Hope it doesn't die like the last one.
1692 CP, I think.
Yeah, Articuno has like the lowest CP out of them all, I'm pretty sure. Yep.
Need my picture for proof.
All 3 in one day. Is that what you're going for?
Oh, no way,
Dude, you
dude.
could go for so many of them.
I could.
Don't. No. Yet.
Go for shinies.
No. Don't waste all your money.